subscribers, my friend is gonna show you a big excavator. Let's see, look there.
Hey, hello real bros and their subscribers. One big excavator. Here you are. Which one you wanna see closer? Which one? Let's see this one, because this one is bigger. Look at this bucket. It's so big. You can have a seat here. Look at this. It's a bit bigger than me. And this one is very heavy. And this dozer, but I'll show you this dozer next time, if you wanna. It's named John Deere. Oh my gosh, let me see. 350 GLC. It's the same one. 350 GLC. Look at this, and now it's time to go inside to have a look closer. Up. Look at this. It's a big cab. Here you are. It's very comfortable. Look at this. You can put your water here, and you can play like Sony PlayStation. Look at this. Need to start this unit. Let's try to start it. Oh my gosh, we started. But this is not mine and I can't use it. Look at this, how it's working. This one, if you put down, just this way is driving. This one not. This one down, just this one driving. This one not. If together, down, is driving just straight. If this one down and this one back, is rotated in this side, left. If another way, this way, it means this one's going forward and this one's driving back like this and turning around this way, right side. Lot of buttons. Hey real brothers, did you like it? Okay, subscribers, put your like, subscribe, and see you next time. Hey brothers, if you need something else, just let me know.